again. Today we're making another snack. We're making a protein bar. Now we're gonna start out with cereal. And my favorite cereal, if you don't know, is Cinnamon Chex. It doesn't have a lot of sugar and it has cinnamon, which is good for your blood sugar. Yeah, you can always add cinnamon if you're using another cereal. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some in a bowl, like this. Maybe a cup or so. Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna squeeze it until you break it all up. And this is the fun part. Actually, in my children's cookbook, I call these naughty bars because you can use your hands in it. Yeah, there we go. Right. Now, after I get this all broken up, there we go. All right, after we get these broken up, I'm gonna start putting the other ingredients in it. One of them is powdered milk. Now, the powdered milk helps it hold together. It's also a dairy, and dairy's good for us. So I'm gonna put a heaping teaspoon of powdered milk. See how that looks? Now, we gotta have something else in it. Gotta have chocolate chips. So I'm gonna use a few mini chocolate chips. And then some honey. Now let me tell you about honey. If you use honey that you can get locally, like at farmers markets or grocery stores like Value Market and that, honey is made by the bees. How do the bees make honey? They go around to all the flowers and eat the pollen. When we have allergies, it's the pollen that bothers us. So this helps us become more immune to that pollen. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put some honey. I always hold it up high so I don't see, I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I don't need any cinnamon. I've already got it in there, got my chocolate chips. Now for the peanut butter. If you don't have peanut butter, you can't eat peanut butter. You get sunflower butter. It's made, they grind up sunflower seeds to make it. And guess what? There's no nuts. All right, now I'm gonna put some of this in here. And what you kind of do is you just kind of play with it with the spoon and keep squinching it around till you, I don't know where the word squinch came from, but anyway, see how I'm doing it around, and oh man, this is gonna be good. Now what you do after you get it all mixed up, if you have some wax paper, or you can use muffin cups, you can use whatever you want, and you take it and you take it out. See how this holds together really well? See how that's holding together? Whoops. See? That is what we want. It's chunky. Then we're gonna take it and put it in a piece of wax paper or saran wrap or whatever you want. You're gonna take it out of the bowl and you're gonna take it with your fingers that you've washed. We all know how to wash our hands now. And we're gonna make like a little bar. And we can make it 2 bars out of this. And when you put it in the refrigerator, guess what happens? It gets hard. And you've got a protein bar to eat any time of the day. Okay? Now, I'm gonna do something you're not really supposed to do, because I love this so much. So, make yourself a protein bar or a bunch of them. Thank you.